YouTube Wagwan, man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video titled Blind Dating 6 Girls Based on Pets. People do have some weird pets, so I think this is going to be an interesting one. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a like, comment down below, and tell me if you think you would have picked the right person for you based on their pet, man. We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
Hi guys, I'm Kylo, or Kai for short, and I brought my pet Blondie with me today.
Hi, my name is Kaylee. I brought my pet, Leo.
Hi, I'm Delani.
So
Today
nobody
I've got
has
my
anything
pet,
but dogs.
Arlo.
Hi, I'm Janie.
Oh, hell no.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm here with Bloopy.
It's an amazing name.
She kind of looks like a bloop.
What is a bloop?
You know what? You'll see.
Hi,
Yeah.
my name's Katie, and I
Hey.
brought my pet, Chicken.
Wait, what? You're not supposed to say it.
I'm Destiny.
Oh,
Hi.
oh shit. Her pet's name is Chick.
I have Dexter here.
I'm Caitlin, and this is Bentley.
Hi, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
When did you get Arlo?
In January of 2021.
I got her during COVID, and she's been a joy ever since.
I got
I would
Chicken
never.
2 years
Me personally, I'm not a cat person.
ago. I had to meet the seller at 4 a.m. in the morning at a McDonald's parking lot to get her. So, just kind of scary, but
That is really sketchy.
yeah,
What
very
do you
weird.
guys do just like on your free times and like in general just to hang out and bond with each other?
Bloopy is definitely one for snuggles. She also loves when I cook because she loves to be near the stove when it's warm.
Oh,
Road
hell
tripping,
no.
I guess, is a major way that we bond and spend time together.
Okay.
We used to go on hikes a lot. He really loves trees and hiding in bushes. And
Honestly,
catching
that sounds like a dog.
lizards.
Okay,
He does the
that
same
gives it away.
exact thing. Are you guys alike in any ways, or like how are you guys different?
I think we both have stellar senses of humor, incredible looks. We're different because I think she's more mischievous than I am. And she knows when
Cats
she's
are
getting
like
into
that.
trouble too. Because she'll do something and then look at me and be like,
Yes.
ha ha.
Blondie does the same thing.
We are both able to read like the energy in the room really well. We're also both very adaptive.
she likes rock music. That's one thing. I know that
Amazing.
because she likes to sit on my drum set when I play, so.
I would say we're both kind of spoiled. We're definitely used to how things
Bro,
are
you know what's crazy? A lot of these animals kind of look like their owner.
and getting our way, I suppose.
Like this
Me and my
dog.
pet are very active, energetic, like food a lot. We like to keep a very
Here's
clean
food right there.
outside appearance.
Nice, nice, nice.
So we're gonna ask you to pick 2 people to send home.
Oh, it's really mean right now. I'm gonna go with Chicken and Bloopy.
Yeah, get the hell out of here.
Are we ever gonna find love? Bloopy is a Sphinx
Ew,
cat.
bro.
Some douchebag men will tell me that she looks like a ball sack, and that's a big no-no. Bloopy is a
Yeah.
beautiful gargoyle. Hopefully, Bloopy and I will find love with a nice man who wears warm hoodies that
There's
she
no.
can snuggle.
I think that would actually be a yeah, I think that would be a no for me. If I had to be around that cat. Yeah. Other cats are okay with the skin. No.
Up in. My DMs are open.
Chicken is a fancy pigeon. I think there's a lot of people that don't like pigeons and they'll call them like flying rats, which is like red flag for me.
Flying rat
so they
indeed.
definitely have to like pigeons.
I would not. Birds are annoying to me. They're
Okay,
very
I'm going to
loud.
throw a treat under it, and he'll go to you. He loves to jump. So if you like hold it above your head, he also does tricks too.
I see
will.
that right now.
Leo is very protective. He's very energetic. He loves to eat. He's a little thief.
I'm not kissing nobody's dog.
He's a quick learner, very smart. A lot of Aussies are.
Aussies are very interesting breeds to have in cities usually. Does Leo have like herding problems? Like, does he herd humans or dogs?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have
I
2
said he
younger
herds
brothers.
humans.
Yeah.
So when they run like around a field, he
Yeah.
will hurt
Chase.
them back.
Yeah.
Huh?
Leo's great.
He's the best.
It's amazing and so soft.
I'm the best too.
Well, I'm Delani again.
And your dog is your animal's Arlo.
My pet is
Pet.
Arlo.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I
Yo,
know.
he
Yeah.
already knew that it was a dog.
Yeah, Arlo is a lab
That's why he
chihuahua
picked him.
mix. Like I said,
That's
he
100% why he picked them. He knew they were dogs.
is pretty warm, pretty friendly.
Nobody's naming a dog Chicken. No.
Sometimes I have to worry about stranger danger with him because he's such a people person. He does have a little bit of a bite as well, so he's not afraid to like show a fierce side too, which I like about him.
Yeah, he doesn't look fierce right now.
I say as he's rolled over.
That's a,
dead.
you said Chihuahua.
Lab mix.
Lab, that's
yeah.
interesting.
I know
That's
he
a
came out
very
looking like a
interesting-
golden, so I don't know what happened
First.
there, but
Interesting.
So I'm Caitlin, and
Alright,
this is
two
Bentley. He's a King
different
Charles
size dogs.
Cavalier. He's the like probably the most unconfrontational dog you'll ever meet. And like in a zombie apocalypse, I would protect him just to get the visual.
How old is Bentley?
He's 10.
Oh,
where you
wow.
going?
All right, bye. Nice meeting you.
Billy, no, yeah.
Huh?
Billy, no.
Bentley, over here.
Oh, he's deaf, by the way.
Oh,
Yeah.
What?
got it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Destiny
Hi.
again.
Oh, he didn't
And
get rid
this
of
is Dexter.
Dexter.
I'm assuming Dexter is a cat.
Why?
He's the one that's making all the noises.
Ah.
There it is. He's getting very comfortable with you right now. I've had Dexter for 6 years. He actually, because he's
Where the
deaf,
where is he?
so he only can kind of
deaf
feel the
animals.
vibrations of everyone, and I'm pretty sure he can feel everyone's energy as well. He feeds off of that.
Majority of the cats I know are pretty like social, so they kind of break that norm of like cats are like these like really closed off animals, which is not always true. I think any animal can be closed off. But yeah, I mean Dexter seems really cool and just like energetic and loves food.
When I want that
clearly.
food.
Knocking down the box of food. Energy just between dogs and their owners are usually pretty compatible with each other. She might be
Usually.
a trusting person, just with how comfortable Leo is with random people, which isn't bad. You can tell Leo like obviously loves.
Oh,
her,
he
'cause
wants
if
he
the
wants
dog's
Leo's
protective over
owner.
you, that means like there's a real connection there. Leo gives off good vibes, so that means the owner has good vibes also usually.
I have great vibes, and I bet you have great vibes too.
Oh, oof. Okay, hold up. Let me think about this. Destiny and Dexter, and then I'm
He's
gonna
going
go
with
with
Leo. He's taking Leo.
I think Caitlin
Finals.
and Bentley.
Yeah, she knows that.
Honestly,
Once you
we're
seen that
just
dog,
probably just gonna go back home, just chill, like we always do.
Most definitely, yeah. And someone who like understands how to take care of a pet and, you know, nurture something that's not themselves.
Well, this is Delaney again.
Hi, it's Kylo, obviously. What do you do for work?
I work in a nonprofit that champions youth mentoring as
Got it.
a vehicle to end poverty and foster care.
Oh,
What about you?
that's nice.
I have a couple jobs.
Oh,
The main one, I guess, is like I work at a dog park,
oh, fun.
and then the other one is just modeling on the side because like it's really easy money. I'm really into photography, so like I'm starting to get back into that.
What style of photography would you say?
I've always been into like landscape photography and just nature. Like National Geographic was like my dream job coming out of like high school.
That's super specific.
Yeah, no, I just where they got to travel everywhere and like take pictures of all these cool animals.
that is
and all
actually
these
cool.
places, and I was
No
like
bap.
really intrigued by that.
For me, the ultimate goal is to transfer into real estate at some point, like later on in life.
Yeah,
So I completely vibe with what you're saying about not everything has to come now when you're
Yeah.
super young. Like we're all on a journey, and where we end up is meant to be in its own time and place.
exactly. I couldn't agree more.
My name is
Are you
Kaylee.
switching from
Hi.
Kaylee?
Hi.
What do you do for work though?
I'm an actor.
Okay.
I just moved here last
We're not gonna
week.
trust that.
Got-
Wait,
wow.
what?
Yeah. What do you do on your free time when you're not modeling, taking headshots?
What do I do? Honestly, a lot of the time I'm just like out with Blondie. I have another dog too, so we go hiking a lot with them, me and my mom, or like active stuff with friends and just artistic stuff because we're all in that same like industry of like art and like modeling and acting and
You can
music.
tell by your
Sounds
chain
like a
and
lot
your
of fun.
glasses.
No, yeah, it's definitely a vibe. What about you? What do you do for your free time?
When I have the chance, I like to paint, I like to surf, I like to go to the gym. Also, you know, hang out with Leo
Yeah,
and go on hikes to the Hollywood sign because that's a rough one.
it's a very rough one. Yeah, I feel that.
So I've
You know,
heard.
just being active and creative at the same time.
Yeah. It was good. It's
think
really
he's gonna
cool. You
pick,
get to know their personalities before
Leo's owner.
anything. I fuck.
Kayla.
I curse? I can curse. Yeah, I fuck with it. Just making sure. Sorry, I've been holding back a lot of like words the entire time because that's like cursing's like half my vocabulary, honestly. Being from the East Coast and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, she gets it. And now I have to make a decision, which is
Let's see, man. I think he's
Sucks.
going with
It's
Leo.
okay.
Kayla.
Don't take it to heart.
Oh, she don't look
gonna
like that. She's not gonna
go
take it
with-
to heart, man.
Delaney. That's how you pronounce your name, right? Or
Wrong. It's Delani.
my bad.
Second date.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's a unique first name.
Delani.
It's fine.
Got it. Sorry, my bad.
No, it's
But
okay.
My
yeah,
God,
Delani.
she only told
Leo
you.
is gonna be just as active, and I am just gonna be doing my thing, looking for love. No, we're very loyal for each other. He's the only man I trust, and it's been proven right every single time.
Okay.
Come on, blondes.
Oh, can I look? Okay.
Stuck here.
Oh, hi. You do look like an East Coast boy. Oh my
Oh,
God.
I love that. I don't get that. I get LA boy a lot.
Oh
you're
no,
just gonna-
I grew
Yeah,
up
he
in
does
New
look like
Jersey.
an LA
so-
boy.
I grew up in New York.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I was like vibing with both of you, so it was really just coming down to like who
Understood
who I
him more.
like felt like I would vibe with more. And I just, since you're from the East Coast, it's like not a lot of
Natural
people.
fit.
Yeah, natural fit. Not a lot of people get that personality.
Yeah, for sure.
Or, like they're really uncomfortable when I start cursing. They're like, "Oh my god!" I'm like, I can't help it. It's like
No, my parents
like
both
a-
have potty mouths.
it's a second language for me personally.
Woohoo! He's just a very lovable like dog.
All right, let the
and
dogs
so
know each
a
other
lot of
now. Let's see if
people
they're
just
gonna
have a good
war.
impression, I think, of me from him. But he's the star of the show for sure.
Blondie's never really like that involved in my dating life like that. I mean, she's been around the people I've dated. Obviously, whoever Blondie likes is like, all right, cool, test that out.
I definitely could do like a hike in Malibu. We haven't explored out that
When he
way
has that
quite
little
yet, so I
handkerchief
think
on,
that'd be a
that's
really good
normally a
first
hiking
start.
thing for dogs.